Hello guys, we have a problem here. The owner complained that his washing machine LG inverter direct drive 8 kilogram, this one. So the problem is the owner cannot own this one, cannot own and change because of the CL. So CL, what it means? CL, C it means child, L is lock, child lock. So the owner before, you don't know that he pressed together the MIDI cranes and pre-wash. So we need to do press this one 2 to 3 seconds and it's gone. So now the machine you can run and change the temperature. Yeah, you can change this one because if you cannot reset the CL, so you cannot change this one, guys. You cannot change the temperature, how much temperature you need, and the spinning RPM you cannot change also. See, you cannot change, we cannot change if we cannot remove the CL. So what we need to do is to try to press this one, right? The child lock is gone. So what to do? Yeah, now we can change the spinning RPM and the temperature also, because without removing this CL, without removing this one, we cannot change this temperature, the indicator, how much RPM, how much the temperature you need. So we need to raise together, then you can change the RPM and this how much you need temperature, right guys? Okay, now we need to wash. Now okay, now the washing machine run. Yes, is preparing to wash. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to our small videos. Thank you guys. Hope this video can help for you if you have this machine like this. Thank you for watching guys. I will see you next video. Okay guys, thank you very much.